Want to save $75 on your Ramsey County marriage license? If you are planning a wedding in St. Paul or anywhere in Ramsey County, you need to apply for your marriage license through the Ramsey County Vital Records Office. The process has very specific legal requirements, but you do not need to pay the standard full price fee. Hi, I'm Kristen Franson, Clinical Director at Cadenza Counseling and a board-certified licensed professional clinical counselor in Minnesota. Today, I'm going to walk you through the exact Ramsey County process, the mandatory waiting period you need to plan for, and the legal requirement you can use to save $75 instantly. First, let's look at the specific state and county costs. Under Minnesota Statute 517.08, the standard fee for a marriage license at the Ramsey County Vital Records Office is $115. However, if you complete an approved 12-hour premarital education course, the county is legally required to reduce your fee down to just $40. That keeps $75 right in your wedding budget. Now, it is critical that you plan your timeline correctly. Minnesota strictly enforces a mandatory 5-day waiting period. This means your license will not be issued until 5 full days after you submit your application to the Ramsey County clerk. Unlike some other states, taking a premarital course does not waive this waiting period in Minnesota. The only way around the 5-day wait is to get a formal waiver signed by a district court judge for extraordinary circumstances. So always apply at least a week or two before your ceremony. To qualify for that $75 discount, you simply need to complete 12 hours of state-approved premarital education. At Cadenza Counseling, our official course is entirely self-paced and 100% online. Because Minnesota law strictly requires an authentic document on letterhead, once you finish the material, we physically sign, notarize, and mail your official educator's statement directly to your home. Best of all, the entire course is only $29.97, meaning it more than pays for itself. When you are ready, both you and your partner must apply for your license. In Ramsey County, you will visit the Vital Records Office located at the Plato Building on Plato Boulevard West in St. Paul. Hand the clerk your physical, notarized Cadenza Counseling Educator's Statement, along with valid government-issued photo IDs, like a driver's license or passport, and your social security numbers. They will verify your notarized document, apply your $75 discount, and start your 5-day waiting period right there. To claim your $75 Ramsey County discount, click the link in the description below to register for our official Minnesota premarital course. You can finish it at your own pace, and we will get your notarized certificate in the mail right away so you can start your 5-day application clock. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button, and if you have any questions about the Ramsey County marriage license process, let me know in the comments below. Congratulations on your upcoming wedding.